These look a lot bigger than they looked yesterday. I do have a different lens on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 American coots. And you can tell them by the white on the beak. May I focus on them? I hope so. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Ha! As I said, you can see by the white on their beaks, so you can recognize them from a bit far off. And they look bigger than they looked yesterday, but maybe that was the lens. Over on that side, we have Snowy, who is still, or again, looking for fish. And perched on 2 of the buoys are 2 birds, which I might imagine are grebes. Might. Not being an expert or anything. Where are they? Okay, so that one. Right, there they are. There's one. Okay, there's one. There's 2. Right? 2 grebes. They're on the move. Okay, somebody must see something to be scurrying so quickly. You can fly, you know? That's right. What is that word? Skitter. Seven plus 1 something else. 7. The ducks have joined the coots. Coot. Let's see if I can get in closer. There we go.
I used to feed them and then they would be waiting for me. It's like, but I don't want to do that anymore.
I'm not sure what you are. We'll have to go look you up. So, like a patch of black on your back and on your head. Everything else is like a dirty gray and a white chin. Hunched over. Size about, I want to say 12 inches. Maybe 12. Maybe less. Maybe 10 inches. Size is a big deal because it's really hard to tell sometimes from the pictures how big they should be. Now your beak especially is quite long, and that looks like what I would say 3 inches. 3 inches from your nose to the tip of your beak. It's kind of a treat day because I can show you this guy and this guy in the same video scene. Cool. Hi, Snowy. You came up for air? Did you find anything? There. Of course, I don't think I can get it in the same photo. Maybe if I back off a bit. Yeah. From the other side. I don't know if I'll be able to get this camera to focus on you.